Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare tapioca bubbles for this bubble tea recipe. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna turn the induction hob on and I'm gonna boil the water. I saw a recipe on internet where someone stated that bubbles would be cooked in 5 minutes. I have some doubts, even though I don't know the other types. But these ones I bought, I have cooked for about 40 minutes. So, my suggestion is to check if the pack has the cooking time. If there isn't, you have to test them. Well, my water is starting to boil. I'm gonna reduce the temperature. I'm gonna add the tapioca bubbles. And I'm gonna leave until it's starting to become clear. For me, has taken about 40 minutes, but as I said, it's gonna depend on the type of tapioca bubbles you buy. I'm gonna stir. While they are cooking, I'm gonna need some syrup for when they are ready. So, I'm gonna use this boiling water and I'm gonna place 2 tablespoons. 1, 2, in this light brown sugar that I have here. I'm gonna stir the sugar until it's completely dissolved and make a syrup. The syrup will be added in the end to prevent the bubbles not to stick to each other. So, I'm gonna stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. If you want, you can use a saucepan to make the syrup and combine with the tapioca bubbles in the end when they are cooked. It's already ready for me. When finished cooking, I'm gonna leave them to cool off and place in this bowl. I pour the syrup on the top and stir. I'm gonna increase a bit the temperature to see if they cook faster. Let's see if they won't overflow. I think it's already cooked. I'm gonna turn off. I'm gonna bring to the sink to drain and I'm gonna add cold water to stop cooking. I'm gonna leave here. I'm gonna take the sieve, transfer to this bowl, and I'm gonna place that syrup. I'm gonna first combine the light brown sugar syrup. I'm gonna place here in the tapioca bubbles. And I'm gonna stir to prevent them to stick to each other. Let me take this induction hob out to the side over here to be able to show you the result. So, this is the result. The tapioca bubbles. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and I see you on the next video. See you later. Bye!